Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to control a servo motor or a stepper motor with a PLC S7-1200 without using ladder code. First, please create a project. And in this technology object section, please create a servo motor axis. Here I have already created an axis 1. If you haven't created it yet, please rewatch my previous video to see how to create this technology object. And after you have created the technology object like my axis 1 here, you will open this folder. And in this axis 1 DB1 item, there is a commissioning item. Please double click on commissioning. After you double click on commissioning, a panel will appear for us where we can manually control the servo motor or stepper motor. Here, you will select the axis control panel item. Next, you will see the active item. You will click the active button to activate the motor. After you click the active button, a notification saying Activate Master Control will appear. This notification will say take any necessary safety precautions before you change to manual control. It asks if you want to switch to manual mode for manual control. Because this mode is quite dangerous, it confirms with you one more time. After you confirm there are no issues, please press the OK button. So after you press the OK button, the PLC will switch to online mode. And now we can control the servo motor by enabling it. After you enable it, all the parameters in the axis control panel will be displayed. Here you can control jogging, positioning, or homing. Here, since I don't have a limit switch or a sensor for home, I can set the home position. Alright, now let's test the cases together. First, I will test the jog mode. You will select the jog item. Here you will enter the speed. Here I'll enter, for example, 5,000. Here I'll just enter 3,000. Next, you will enter the acceleration and deceleration. Here I will enter 200. Alright, and now to control the motor, you will press the forward or backward button. Additionally, you can monitor the status of the servo motor. Here the servo is enabled. And it has not been homed, and the motor is ready, and the motor has no errors. Alright, so now we will control the servo motor by pressing the forward button to run forward. So you can see that after pressing the forward button, the motor starts running at a low speed and gradually increases to the maximum speed of 3,000. After the motor reaches the maximum speed of 3,000, I will release this forward button. The motor will gradually slow down and stop. And now if I want the motor to rotate in reverse, I will press the backward button. The motor will then rotate in reverse. So, you have finished learning about jog mode. Now I will move to homing mode. To set the home position. Alright, to set the home position, you will select the Set Home Position item. Currently, you are seeing the servo's position is 79,984 pulses. Now I will press the Set Home button. You can see that the current position is 0. So I have successfully set home. So the set home function is OK. And now, I will switch to positioning mode. Now you will enter the coordinate you want to run to. For example, I'll enter 10,000. I want to run to the coordinate of 10,000 pulses. And next is velocity. Here, I'll enter 3,000. For acceleration, deceleration, I'll enter 200. And now you can run in relative or absolute mode. I will run in relative mode. Then the motor will run to position 10,000 and stop. And next, if I press the button again, it will continue to run to position 20,000 and stop. Alright, now if I want to run in absolute mode, you can press the absolute button and the motor will return to coordinate 10,000. As you can see, the motor is rotating back to coordinate 10,000. Alright, while the motor is running, you can press the stop button. For example, I'm running in relative mode, so I'll press stop now. There, the motor will gradually slow down and stop. Alright, so today we've learned how to manually control a servo motor and stepper motor without using a ladder program. Alright, I'll end this video here. Thanks for watching.